Hi there everyone, welcome to iPad Essentials. Today we will talk about a very crucial issue that every iPad user loves. We will talk about how we can maximize the battery life of our iPad. We will diving deep into a new 80% charging limit feature that is available with latest iPad Pro M4 and iPad Air M2 model. Before talking about that particular feature and how we can enable it, let's first of all talk about iPad batteries. Apple designed these lithium ion powerhouse to retain 80% of original capacity after 1000 complete charge cycle, which means that if you charge your iPad daily, it's going to retain 80% of battery life after 3 years. But what exactly affect the battery health? What caused this degradation of battery capacity? So I would say it is a combination of chemical aging and temperature history. Introducing this 80% of charging limit actually help your iPad to prolong your iPad battery's lifespan by reducing the time it spent on fully charged. And probably all of us are aware of whenever our phone or iPad reached at a charging state of let's say 90%, there is a lot of heat dissipation occurs, which eventually impact your battery capacity and performance. By enabling this 80% feature, the downside is your iPad will only charge for 80% and then the charging will stop. And occasionally the iPad will charge up to 100% to maintain precise battery state of charge. Now let's talk about how we can enable it. For that, let's jump into the iPad screen, and here it is iPad Pro M4, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna share my iPad screen with you. So let me quickly share it, and there we go. Now in order to enable this 80% charge state, here I am in setting page, and now we need to go to battery option. You can see here this discharge graph, and not only you can see your battery performance curve of 24 hours, but you can also see of last 5 days. Now what we need to do here is let's go on the top and click on battery health, and now here we need to enable this feature which says 80% limit. And then as I was explaining about 80% capability, here also you can read about it, which again talks about the same that I explained you. So in this way guys, we can enable this feature. And there you have it. By using 80% charging limit and following these tips, you can significantly extend or improve your iPad battery lifespan. A healthy battery means a better performance and longevity for your device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to iPad Essential for more such tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell to stay updated from our latest content. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.